Hi, and welcome back to the Mirka channel. I am Jimmy, and in this video I will do an unboxing of the Mirka POLAROS RP 600, our new professional grade rotary polisher. We'll take a look at everything included in the box and a first look of the machine. When opening the box, first you will see the instruction manual and a quick start guide. These include key safety notes, setup advices and product details. We always recommend reading them before powering up the tool. Our power tools also include 2+1 year warranty. Get an additional 1 year of warranty free of charge by registering your tool within 30 days of purchase. Next, there's a soft backing pad and a Torx key to help you change your backing pad, which we will show you how to do in another video. Now we get to the tool itself, the Mirka POLAROS RP 600. Have a look at this one. It's a solid, well-balanced rotary polisher designed for precision control and comfy handling. This unit comes with a soft 135mm pre-installed backing pad, compatible with Mirka accessories. A hard backing pad version is available as an accessory. On the side of the tool, you will find a power cord. It uses Mirka's standard quick lock connector to attach securely at the base of the handle. Be sure to inspect the cord before use to ensure it's free of damage. So, here's everything you get. The POLAROS polisher, power cord, pre-installed backing pad, soft backing pad, Torx key, and manuals and quick start guide. Now we know what's in the box. In another video, I will show you how to operate the POLAROS.